Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a great day today. In today's video, it's a bit different. I wanted to quickly share with you guys a at-home bridal shower that I had put together for the bride. She really wanted it to be simple, but yet classy. So I wanted to make sure that I bring that vision to life for her. I really love how everything turned out. Everything looked perfect. I just wanted to quickly show you some ideas on how you can utilize the furnitures around the home to put together any event, and the type of little items and centerpieces that you can use to bring everything to life for any event that you're throwing. I really hope this video you can find some great ideas and some great inspiration for any at-home events that you are throwing. Hope this video was able to help you, and comment your thoughts below and let me know what you guys. This bridal shower was a brunch style type of bridal shower, and if you have hosted any brunch style events, you have to have your mimosa bar. Here is a beautiful way I believe you should set up your mimosa bar. I believe you should have your different type of fruits, your champagne bottles, your different types of drinks, of course your champagne glasses, and I believe for any mimosa bar this is the perfect setup. Next, for a brunch bridal shower is to have the perfect menu for your guests that you are hosting that day. And I was lucky enough to help the bride share some ideas on the type of food she should have for her brunch bridal shower. And this is some amazing food selection that I believe you should have for your perfect event that you are planning, for any brunch event that you are hosting that day. And I hope you can find some great food selection ideas here, and the food was delicious. For the table decor, I really wanted it to look simple but yet classy. And the type of roses that I had used that day was fresh roses. I really love using those roses for this type of events, just because when those roses bloom, they look absolutely beautiful when they are completely bloomed. And I also wanted to incorporate those roses inside some really different types of cute flower vases and some beautiful candles and tea light candles. So play around with your different types of decor items that you may have.